Purdue University was born from humble beginnings, a product of the 1862 Morrill Land Grant Act, a $50,000 contribution from local government, and a $150,000 gift from John Purdue that prompted the Indiana Legislature to name the new university after him. The campus opened in 1874 with 39 students, 6 instructors, and 5 buildings. Fast forward to 2020, and total enrollment tops 44,000, with more than 2,000 faculty members and hundreds of buildings spread out across more than 2,400 acres. The university offers programs in 11 different colleges and boasts more than 6,700 courses and 200 specializations. In 2007, a $53 million, 240,000 square foot building in Neil Armstrong's honor was dedicated. Arguably the most distinctive structure on campus, the Neil Armstrong Hall of Engineering serves as the flagship building of the College of Engineering. Its design mimics an aircraft with wing-like roof extensions to symbolize Purdue's contributions to flight and the space program. In front of the building is a bronze sculpture depicting a pensive and studious Armstrong as an undergraduate in the 1950s. Known as the Cradle of Astronauts, Purdue counts 25 NASA astronauts among its alumni. More than 47 space flights have been manned by Purdue graduates, and alumnus Jerry Ross was the first human to fly on 7 missions orbiting the Earth, making 9 spacewalks. 450 faculty members and growing, our award-winning educators have put Purdue on the map with crucial scientific breakthroughs such as glucose monitoring contact lenses, imaging systems to detect homemade explosive, filter technology for clean water in developing countries, and deep learning algorithms that reduce time in assessing natural disaster damage. We have 6 National Medal of Technology recipients, 25 past and present National Academy of Engineering members, and 25 alumni astronauts, including our most famous alumnus, 1955 aeronautical engineering graduate Neil Armstrong, the first man on the moon. The new $140 million, 255,000 square foot engineering and polytechnic gateway complex, due to open in 2023, will serve as the official entryway to the academic campus. The 2 buildings are designed to meet the growing demand for science, technology, engineering, and math graduates ready to contribute to the 4th Industrial Revolution, also referred to as Industry 4.0.